Okay, so in this video, we're going to quickly talk about canceling orders. This is an order that you can see has been created April of last year. Occasionally, you will get people that have ordered things that just never came back to Fiverr, I suppose, or they just forgot. I don't know. I tried to nudge them. And what that means is, you're just trying to remind them, hey, send me your information so I can get started on this gig. If people don't send you your information, you can't get started. So that's what happened. This gig is well over a year old. So we are going to go to the resolution center. And we are going to go, buyer is not responding. Ask the buyer to cancel. And you don't need to explain yourself. Even if there is an issue, since Fiverr has those categories now, you really don't have to sit there and explain yourself. You can just do that. Little dots, periods, press send, and that's it. And honestly, if this buyer is still active on Fiverr, then they'll cancel that order. And if they're not, then eventually it'll be canceled anyway through Fiverr's customer support. So I hope that was simple and easy enough. This is the same process you are going to use for any issue. We can simply go through another one if you'd like, if that was too fast, but it is very simple and easy. I have a couple others here that are really old. Simply go here, visit the resolution center. Whatever your reason may be. There also is, because this order is so old, they're not giving me all the options. One of the other options is personal or technical reasons. They would have that listed if your gig was still active and alive. Since this one is not, there's no reason for that to be there. So again, the buyer is not responding. Ask buyers to cancel. And with those little periods. And that's it. You're done. And again, canceling does lower your completion rate, and it also can affect your sales. So you don't want to cancel a lot of gigs. You do want to be, you don't want to cancel for no reason is what I'm saying. Always do your best to make it work where possible. So we're just going to send that off and we're done. And that is how to cancel gigs, you guys. Really simple, really easy.